Strapping machines are tools used for tying boxes. There are several models, both semi-automatic and automatic, with or without arc. The strapping of the box is done by thermal welding of the ends. For this reason, it is advisable to heat the machines for a few minutes before their use. All use a polypropylene strap measuring 12 mm or 9 mm on request, excluding the ESH201 used for bindings that uses the 5 mm strap. We start from the FP8022, which is a semi-automatic strapping machine. Its operation is very basic. Just wrap the product with the strap and let the machine make the binding. Various parameters, such as strap tension regulation, are adjustable by manual wheel. The 8088 is very similar to the 8022, but with the difference that the parameters are electronically adjustable. SP5 is a stainless steel side strapping machine, ideal for the food industry or in particularly humid environments. Uses a strap with a width of 12 mm and is equipped with a tabletop with adjustable height. The structure and side head reduce any damage caused by dust, dirt, or other similar products that in the long run fall inside the gears. For example, we have a customer who needs to tie some cuttings. The operation is very simple in fact. Wrap the product with the strap inserted into the machine and the same will carry out the work, automatically closing the ends with a thermal weld. Moving on to the Arco models, there are the TP101, a semi-automatic strapping machine that uses 12 mm strap, on which you can install a pedal that replaces the classic button for the strap launch. The JN85N is another model very similar to the 101, although it is a strapping machine in Arco, but more professional and where there is the possibility to tie smaller and lighter necks. The semi-automatic machines all have a maximum voltage of 45 kilograms. Switching to the automatic, the change in the sense that it is possible to have a maximum voltage of 80 kg. As for example this model, the 101 PB, which is a machine that is accompanied by tape systems, is used in packaging lines, is equipped with photocells for the automatic tying of products, and is suitable for strapping small and light packages. All machines are ready for delivery, and we carry out repairs at our warehouse. For more information, you can contact our technicians by sending an email or by telephone.